Hey guys, Dana here with Spun Paradise Cotton Candy. Today we are going to talk about this little nostalgia machine over here and how to use it. These are the three most popular machines that I get asked about all the time. How to use them, how to turn them on, what's the best temperature, so many different questions on these. So if you're interested on how to use this Vivo or the Gold Medal Whirlwind, I will leave links in the description below with videos on how to use those both as well. But today we are going to focus on this little guy, the Nostalgia. I love this little tiny machine. Totally a home use machine. Super good if you just want to make a couple cones. I wouldn't recommend this machine for more than a lot of people get it for birthday parties, but if you have more than a dozen children at your birthday party or people, adults love it too. I would not recommend this machine. It's only gonna last for 12 cones. And then it totally needs to be cleaned and revamped again. When you order this one, it comes already assembled like this. So the head is already on the machine, ready to go. Our on button, on and off. Super simple machine. Super straightforward. It also comes with reusable cones, just these two little guys. And it comes with the sugar scoop, so you know that just the one scoop is all you need of sugar per cone as you're making it. So super simple. The little bowl that goes on this one, so cute, comes separate in the box. It's not already assembled on it, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do it when you get it in the mail. So you just kind of push this down, and then you can turn a little bit to tighten it. And that's pretty much all that's involved in assembling this machine. So now that we've got it all ready, we're going to start spinning with this machine. This machine, I like it to warm up for at least 20 minutes before you put any sugar in it at all. Okay, so this machine, it is super hot and ready to get going with some spinning. So I am going to use some of our USDA certified organic strawberry. No dyes, no artificial flavor. It's completely clean. That's why I love this so much, and it's great for anyone with allergy issues especially. It's super allergen friendly. So again, the Nostalgia came with its little scooper as well, and one scoop is one cone. So never, ever, ever put more than just one scoop per time. I am just going to pour it right into this little machine, and then I am going to use the little cones that it came with. All right, so it takes a few seconds for it to start producing cotton candy, but once it does, you got a little bit coming out at a time here, and you can just spin it right around. I really prefer with this machine to use little paper straws instead. I just like that they fit inside around in the bowl a lot better than this huge standard size cone. And they're just cute, and because this doesn't make a ton of cotton candy at once, it's the perfect amount. You can get two little puffs on paper straws, and it's just super cute and it looks adorable. But we still have cotton candy coming out of this one, so we're just gonna keep going with it until it isn't producing at all. And I'm just holding it above it, and it's grabbing the cotton candy from the bowl. Again, that's why I like the paper straws too, because they're so small. You can actually do the fun little twirl around in the bowl, and it's super cute and fun. So we'll just keep going with it. Again, I know I already said it, but I recommend only if you're making 12 cones at a time. This machine really will need to take a rest. It's going to get too hot and burned out if you go much longer than that. So I'm just gonna double check, but we don't have any more cotton candy coming out. So that's what we got from one scoop on a standard size cone. Again, these both come with the machine, these reusable cones. You know, if you're doing a little kid's birthday party or something, this is totally more than enough cotton candy. If you're wanting to really have those big, fun, fair-like cones, then all we're gonna do is pour in a second scoop just to get a little bit more full of a fun look, if that's what you're wanting. But I'll do another video as well that shows spinning on paper straws instead. You can just get them in so many fun colors and designs and patterns. I just think it's super fun. You can match them to your event or your party, whatever it is. So it's starting to produce again. So I'm just gonna put the cone down there and start grabbing it a little bit here at a time until it really starts to produce. The nice thing is you already have some cotton candy on here, so it's easy for the next round of cotton candy to stick. And it does take a while to get the cotton candy going with this machine. And so that is another reason why I don't always recommend this for birthday parties of more than like 10 kids or a dozen kids, because it takes a while and kids are like ready to eat that cotton candy as soon as they see it. So I know a lot of people who get this size machine just for like dinner parties, where again, they're just gonna make the little puffs of cotton candy, spin it on, you know, something fun, a pretzel stick or something, you know, cute like that. A lot of people love to get our caramel cotton candy and do that on pretzel sticks for dinner parties. I've heard of a lot of that happening. The nice thing is this machine is really quiet, which is definitely a plus. And it's still producing cotton candy, so we're just gonna wait it out and just keep twisting until we just don't see any cotton candy at all. Just made it a little bit more fluffy and cute. Covered the cone just a little bit more so you can't see it. And this is our strawberry, so it has a little bit of a pink hue to it to go with the pink one, which is kind of fun. I see a little bit more, so I'm just gonna grab it. I just can't help myself. So when you're done spinning, all you're gonna do is, this one doesn't have a heat button or anything else. So all you're gonna do is hit the power button off, let it totally stop spinning before you touch it at all. I would just definitely just walk away from this machine, let it totally come to cool down. There's no reason you need to handle this machine while it's super hot. You're gonna take the bowl back off like that, and then you're just gonna grab the head here and pull straight up, comes right off. This can be washed in your sink. The rest of this does not like water, so we're not putting water on anything else on the base of this machine. The bowl and this little guy both can go and get washed. Soap and water. This will be probably a little bit darker permanently once you've used it from just the heat and everything on the metal. But most of the sugar and like the crusty sugar and hard sugar should come off. If you have to, let it soak overnight in a bowl of warm water. When it's all clean and ready to go again and you're ready to use the machine again, you just take it and you'll see that it lines up. You want it to go completely down again. If it is like that high, that's not on yet, okay? So you'll see that there's just these little knobs inside the machine and they line up with the base of it. That is how we are gonna get this cleaned and assembled. And again, bowl just pushes down, churn, and you're ready to go again. Yeah, so I hope this was helpful for you guys on how to use the Nostalgia. I know a lot of you have Nostalgias. This is a really popular machine because it's little and you know, some people just want to spin a cone here and there for a special treat. And so I hope that was helpful on how to use it, how to clean it, and keep it sweet. Bye, guys.